Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and put the notification bell on. We took a morning walk through Green Timbers Lake. This is our first video with a voiceover where we normally just do acoustic videos. If you do like this, let me know in the comments and I shall create more. So the park was very calm, not a lot of people. The ducks were out. There was a family fishing at the end of the lake. So it was a very good walk. Blue skies, I love the reflection. It was very enjoyable. So I wanted to take the time to create this video to introduce myself and this channel. Our channel is based out of Surrey. And we do virtual walking tours of the city, parks, and construction updates. We are starting to actually gather quite a large amount of videos because I do upload every Monday at 8 o'clock. And occasionally I release videos on Wednesdays. And then the last Friday of the month, also I do the construction updates for that month. So the last Friday of this month, expect to see August construction updates. That video is going to be, there's a lot going on, a lot new development. So that'll be a big video. You'll see a lot different things on that video than we've seen in past videos. So this walk actually goes around the lake. You can take some trails off on the side that go through more of the park. Green Timbers is actually a very, very large park. It's huge. It's in the middle of Surrey, right on the edge of city center. Very accessible. So you are allowed to fish with permit, of course. But there's no water access. But I mean, during the summer, this park is full of visitors. The best time that I would suggest to go to this park would either be spring, where you hear more wildlife, lots of birds, frogs, tons of stuff. And then also the fall, the colors on the trees are changing, the reflections. Those are my two favorite times to come. Of course, summer's blue skies, it's gorgeous, but I like spring and fall. I actually film a lot in this park. A lot of my Surrey 360 channel trailer, a lot of clips came from this park. So it's a very, very easy park to film in, very photogenic. And there's lots of angles that you can get without having people in it. So that's kind of a plus as well. So for future videos, if you have any suggestions or ideas, please add them in the comments. But for now, I'm going to sign off and leave you with this view.